let's unboxing the box. It's black. Robin also wants to see. Wow. What? What? There's. It's a black. It's heavy. Wow, very big. Ayan. This is a cash drawer. We need to use the key to open. Let's try. Let's try the key. Okay, you can try, Robin. Okay. Wow! See? Wait lang. Show it to them. Wow! This is a cash box for Philippines. Okay. Yeah. This is really nice. Okay. See? Wow! This is really good, affordable, and durable, and beautiful. Thank you for watching my unboxing.